Some homes feel calm the moment you walk in. That's what Japandi design does, using natural materials, clean lines, and practical layouts that makes every space feel balanced. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting in the living room, every piece is arranged for comfort and better flow. Then, the kitchen, smart storage keeps the space clean and functional. And finally, the bedroom. Soft colors and simple furniture create a relaxing atmosphere. The result is a home that feels calm, organized, and easy to live in. With natural materials, smart layouts, and practical storage, every space works beautifully every day. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.